We've been hearing plenty of rumors lately about Apple's upcoming foldable devices. We know that the company is working on a flip-style foldable iPhone and an iPad/MacBook hybrid with an 18.8-inch screen when unfolded. The latest report from analyst Jeff Poos suggests the iPad/MacBook hybrid will be the first to see broad daylight, likely in the second quarter of 2026. The foldable iPhone is due at the end of 2026. It's not too far-fetched to assume it will be announced alongside the iPhone 17 series, but the actual market release will commence toward the end of 2026. Unfortunately, the report doesn't add any more details except to give us a more accurate time frame. However, Jeff Poos sounds pretty optimistic for the time being. He says Apple is still on schedule, especially after recently securing a supply contract for the foldable iPhone's panel. Still, a lot could change until 2026, so don't hold your breath just yet. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.